on tonight. Even if I got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it.
I can't tell you!
We own it. I'm not to be played with because it can get dangerous. See these people I ride with. This moment, we own it. And the same ones that I ride with be the same ones that I die with. Put it all out on the line with. If you're looking for me, you can find wit in a new car or the crown with. My new broad does a fine chick in the weather squad. I'm down with. Ain't no way around it. What you say? Tell me what you say. Working hard, repping for my dogs. Do this every day. Taking off, looking out for all. Making sure we ball like the mob. All you do is call. Catch you if you fall. Young Khalifa.
Thank you so much.
I never fear death or dying. I only fear death.
Thank you guys, thank you, thank you. Take your seat. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And once for everyone, I love you guys. And sit down. Okay. Okay. Once for all, for everyone, I love you too. And let's start. Okay. Last 4 days, right? This is the 4th night, and we are almost towards the I should not say end, but we are almost going to start a new chapter after tonight, right or not? And there's nothing much left actually. Frankly speaking, I don't know. At the end, ये लोग मेरे साथ हमेशा है. मेरी बैटिंग हमेशा लास्ट में आती है. कॉलेज में भी, स्कूल में भी ऐसी होता था. You know? तो सारे रन तो बना लिए इन्होंने. मैं क्या बनाऊं अभी? जाओ, मैं नहीं खेलता. घर जा रहा हूं मैं. जाऊं? Frankly speaking, I don't have anything left. Everything is covered actually by them already, right? But I want to share something which, actually these days I don't like to talk like this with so many people and all. Sitting on chai one-on-one without any agenda, and from there some agenda come out. That's fun actually, right? How many people have sat down with me like that? How many? Only few, right? Why others not? Why? Maybe God's plan, right? I'm always available. It's a God's plan. Time nahi aaya, maybe shayad, right? Okay. So, how many people know my journey? वो दिखा दी वो भी, right? By the way, वो जबलपुर इतना गांव टाइप का नहीं है यार, बड़ा शहर है. ऐसा उसको de-edify मत करो यार ऐसे. हम 3 लोग हैं यहाँ जबलपुर वाले, मारेंगे पकड़ के IAV को, मालूम है? Okay. So, you know the journey already, but I want to talk about something which, even after 4 days of going through the grind and everything, I think you've not understood that. This business is not about adding people. This business is not about creating network creation, adding people. That happens automatically. But the core kya hai? What exactly is the core thing which we are doing, we are trying to do, right? Because of which the network gets built, because of which everything changed actually, right? Okay? This business is all about knowing something about this universe, experience few things which you would have never experienced otherwise, right? Now I'll tell you how. आपने कभी skydiving किया? Any skydiving, okay? Is it just for adrenal rush, or you get to know a lot of things from that, right? Or you realize something, right? It's an out of world experience, right? Because every day you don't go in the plane and jump, right? Correct or not? Correct. कभी किसी ने भूत एक्सपीरियंस किया? कोई भूत प्रेत? किया किसी ने? Anybody, right? So that's something which is not you experience every day, right? You know, it is something which is only few people can experience, right? So in this business also, you know, the financial freedom, the money, and the kind of life which we are talking about, all these things. Okay, a lot of people change their life in terms of lifestyle, in terms of having more money than before and all that, right? But the real potential of this business come out only when you understand what is money. What exactly is money? Now ask yourself, what is money for you? Is it a friend? Is it an enemy? Is it hard to please? Is it easy to please? So suppose money is you give a metaphor or anything to money, right? What is money? People come for money, but they don't know what is money actually, right? For them, money is a currency which you exchange to buy something, right? True? You exchange to buy something, that's money. But do you know that money also have his own mind? Money also smell other person before going to that person. Money also see whether I can build relationship with this person or not, right? You know? Have you ever thought on those lines? Different, right? And I was talking 1.5, 2 months back with some people who had come to Dubai, and I was sitting in the coffee shop and I was talking to them about everything and anything and everything, right? And then I realized while talking to them that when I was talking about changing life, increasing fish tank and all that, right? Some few things are like bouncer to them actually, right? Or not exactly bouncer, but few things are like they cannot वो घुस नहीं रहा था अंदर, लैंडिंग नहीं हो रही थी बराबर से. That was like Greek and Latin for them, or something which they are trying to believe in, or which they are trying to understand because I am telling, but actually अंदर से ना वो नहीं समझ पा रहे. And then I understood that the biggest problem is, the problem start from there, that we don't know how to build a relationship with money actually, right? How many people want to have a relationship with money? Correct? Good relationship I'm talking about, right? Okay? So it's between two people there are problems, right? Good, bad. When there are two people, whether they are spouse, husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, son, father, mother, daughter, friends, family, neighbors, relative, जहाँ दो लोग आते हैं, where the two human being come, right? That is called relationship, right? So there are some good thing about that relationship, there are some bad things about that relationship, there are some issues in that relationship, there are some pleasures in that relationship, right? True or not? Correct? So have you ever thought on these lines that money is also like that another person actually, right? And money also feel. And money also can sense. Money को भी बुरा लगता है और अच्छा भी लगता है. जब उसके साथ कुछ अच्छा होता है, कोई अच्छा सोचता है उसके बारे में, तो अच्छा लगता है उसको. Are you getting me? And this, it's not easy. That's why I always say what you become in the process of reaching there is more important than what you get. That's why if you notice, people who build this business very strong and rock solid with a strong vision, it is not this business. वो जहां हाथ डालते हैं वहां से पैसा निकलता है. You know why? Even if they are not expert in that business, other, you know, wherever they put hand, money come out. Why? Luck? हाँ? कल सुना था कल. There's nothing called luck, right? Because the money become friend. It's not just friend. You have different kind of friends ना. कुछ normal friend भी हैं, कुछ अच्छे हाँ friend है, मगर ठीक है. And there are very close also who can die for each other, right? True? So those people become the best friend with money and money become their best friend actually, right? That's why वो जहाँ हाथ डालते हैं money वहाँ उनके लिए available रहता है कि मैं हूँ, तू जहाँ जाएगा मैं आऊँगा तेरे पीछे. Are you getting me? Huh? So, do you want to become that person? I was not knowing about this. While talking to few people 1.5 months back, I realized this, right? I mean, I'm trying to explain you in a different way, but the whole idea is that only, right? Okay? So ask yourself, what kind of a relationship you have with the money? Imagine how your money looks like. Everybody's money will look like different, right? What you will imagine as money will be looking different. What she will be imagining as a money will look different, right or not? Because you have your own definition of money, she has her own definition of money, right? True? Correct? What your money will not like, okay? Maybe her money will like her, maybe. Because these are two different individuals actually. Correct or not? So that's the reason why everyone has a different relationship with money. That's why everyone has a different amount of money actually, right? True? So first of all, you have to ask yourself, what is money for you? How many people, are you scared of money? बोलने के लिए मत बोलो, सोच के बोलो. Are you scared? Or are you the best friend? Or you think you don't even know what is money as of now, other than the basic stuff? Correct? Or you never tried exploring money? Who you are, what you like, what you don't like? Correct? Maybe there is something which is unexplored by money by you, right? For, correct or not? So we have our own definition of money, we have our own relationship with the money, and everyone's relationship with his or her money is based on the past experience, what she or he has while growing up actually with the money, right? Correct? Somebody who's grown up with a lot of money around, maybe that person is not scared of money, right? I don't know. I mean, it depends on the situation, right? Somebody who's seen shortage of money, or somebody who's seen because of money issues happening in the family or around, maybe that person thinks differently about money, right? Correct? So everyone is coming from a different background, different experiences about money, right? True? Now, when we come in the business, we want to earn money. Okay? Now, when we want to earn money, we have an opportunity, we know what to do exactly, right? Okay? And is it a rocket science? In this kind of a scenario, in this kind of a hall, when you sit, everything looks easy or not, right? Easy. True? Then you go, show plan, money comes. And many people earn money also. Many people earn some money also in the beginning. But based on their relationship with the money, what they earned, what they do with that money, what they think about that money, how they treat that money, depends whether the money will continue to come or not actually, right? Correct? So ask yourself, what you did with the money which you received. Maybe your first month income from this business, right? That was extra, right? Extra or not? Because you were anyway doing something else. You started this, right? So that money was extra. So most of the people, I know different kind of people, right? Some people don't even touch that money. Let it be in CPA. Thoda ikhatta hone do, thoda ikhatta hone do. You know the mentality now. What is the relationship with their building? Correct? No, I want to accumulate. I don't know whether it will come later or not, right? Or I don't want small money. I always want big money actually. So let it accumulate and then I will withdraw, right? This is different. I don't know. You have to figure out your own relationship, right? Some people will immediately take out the money, okay? And then एक गड्ढा खुदा हुआ है, उस गड्ढे में सैलरी जा रही थी, उसी गड्ढे में वो पैसा भी चला जाता है. Credit card bill, something, loan. So before also they were managing all these things. Now extra income also, they're doing that only, right? Which means they're trying to tell money, look, I don't need extra. Because I have only one place to put in, right? And I have one source through which I was putting in there, right? So money don't like. Correct? And some people, because do you know that Lord Lakshmi don't want to be stagnant, right? She always loved movement, right? बोलते ना सब. Don't keep the money at one place, keep moving. No? It should move. Even in Diwali also, there's a ritual. You have to, from one place you remove and then put some other place maybe for a day, and then there's some movement. There should be a movement actually, right? Correct? Now check yourself. After business and before business, your relationship with the money is same, little different, or very different actually, right? Check. When I look back my life, I was not, thank God, I don't know. I give all credit to God and my parents only, because maybe past karma. Karma not because of what I got from the business. That is hard work, right? Karma because God may be putting the right thing actually from the childhood itself, right? Which was instrumental in finally attracting a lot of other things, right? So I was not born with a silver spoon, normal family, but I had no limitation in the mind that time also. Correct? I never saw in my house, I am a son of a government employee, but because my mother was doing another business, because of which I never heard a word called month end. Never. So kabhi dimag mein gaya hi nahi. It never came in my mind that okay, if you want to do this next month, because this month is already over, the salary is yet to come, right? Thank God. Thanks to my parents and God, right? Actually God. That's why He gave parents like that, right? Okay? You know, many people came on the stage here, they lost their parents at the age of 12, 13, 14, they went through so much of shit in their life and all that. Thank God, मेरी life बिल्कुल normal थी. बिल्कुल normal थी. Parents, middle class of course, but I was not knowing what I am missing in life, which means I'm happy. You know, some people used to say, no money, we were poor. I was not even knowing that there's something called poor. Because whatever I wanted, in our own limitation, I used to get. My father used to do a job, my mother used to do a business to earn extra money. Okay? And I saw them working hard. Same work ethic came to me. I said, okay, I should not shy to make more money because I saw my mother doing it, right? Small town. No exposure to the big things. So happy go lucky. Thank God. Are you getting it? Then, even when I started my career, when I went for an interview for my first job, I badly needed a job. Badly needed a job, right? Because my father was about to retire. In my first interview itself, right? The one of the big company, Unilever. I crossed one exam, then another, then another, then another, 5, 6 rounds. And at the end, when 6 people in the HR came to the ground floor and they said, okay, there are 6 people who are selected to join. I will take the names, rest all. Please, sorry, maybe next time, right? And no, I was one of them. Why? I don't know. I don't know. Am I too smart? I was not, believe me. Am I too educated? Not at all. You know, the people who came, they are more educated than me. You know, but there was no crap in the head. When I was giving interview, I was not talking to myself, oh my God, whether I'll get a job or not. I was enjoying the process actually, right? I was enjoying the discussion, the interview, and then I was enjoying the break with the other candidates, knowing them, where are they from, this, that, and not thinking about what if I don't get a job? What if I don't get a job? How many people think like that? मेरा हो जाएगा ना, होगा कि नहीं होगा, पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा, पता नहीं, correct? True. Because I was happy-go-lucky person, right? Now you can call it, oh, you're lucky in life, right? You can also be lucky. Correct? It's just that not being complicated in life. You know, I was in a training, one of the trainings some time back, and the trainer said, give a metaphor to yourself, right? In a metaphor, your personality, what you want to be, or what you think you are actually, right? Give a metaphor, right? So I gave, you know what metaphor I give to myself? Flowing water. Simple. Flowing water, which can find its own way, hurdle come, बड़ा पत्थर आता तो साइड से निकल लेता, दूसरा आता तो कूद जाता, but water, simple, who only know one thing, keep flowing smoothly, that's it. Are you getting it? Now check yourself. दिमाग में क्या होता है? Is it too busy? Or you're chill? Busy in working is different thing. And busy here is a different thing, right? Correct? You know, life is so simple, so bloody simple. And today, when I look back, I can say that, right? Probably when I introspect and see in many things, okay? But when I was not knowing when I was going through all this, right? But thank God, because I kept everything so simple, that it went through. Correct? Is it too difficult to keep things simple? Whether it is money, or it is relationship, or it is work, or it is anything actually, right? True? Then I started working. I struggled in the beginning while working, little bit, because I was new, I was fresh. So, थोड़ी बम्बू पड़े boss से कभी कभी. But at the end of it, in 1 year, I became champion there. Why? I was doing my job without any crap in my head. I was giving my best. Correct? Then after that, I went for another interview. You know that, while talking to you guys, I'm realizing a lot of things. ये मैंने सोचा नहीं था इस बारे में बात करूँगा. I had nothing of this sort in my mind while I came here actually, right? That I'm going to talk about this, right? But while talking, I'm realizing, actually, I don't remember too many incidences where I got rejected actually. I mean to say whether it is interview or anywhere. Maybe हुआ होगा, but it is not there in my head. It is not there in my head, right? It's not there at all in my head. Why? Because I took it, everything so easy, so simple. Now tell me, business is easy or difficult? Upline not there. I got the system by cross line. I said, okay, I will learn and do it, right? Because I don't talk to myself too much. I only talk to myself about future. About that, you know. I don't talk, I visualize that. That's it, nothing else. Where I'm coming from, oh my God, I'm not good in this, I'm not good in that, I don't have an upline, I don't have money, I don't have this, that, nothing actually. Even the Weekon incidents also when Kavita was talking about, I had no money, no passport, but I decided I'm going and it was smooth. I'm going, that's it. I'm going and making all effort to go there and I reached there. Correct? I reached there. Because I never doubted while attempting it. And believe me, many people will do the same thing. They will not get result. Because it's not about attempt when you are attempting it. It's also what is going on in your head actually, right? Now tell me one thing. How many of you today, keep a hand on your heart and tell me really, how many of you really, really, really have no doubt that you will make it in this business actually, right? Okay, if you lie to yourself, it's okay, right? But have no doubt, no kirkir, no complication in the head actually, right? You know? The point is right now after 4 days, you're raising a hand. After 4 days out from here, ask the same question to yourself. After 4 weeks again, you ask the same question to yourself. After 4 months, you ask the same question to yourself, right? Do you think it will be consistent? Because incidences, people, issues change the way you think, right? True or not? And the day you become a person who will not change based on people, incidences, and other things, you will still think the same way, in the right way actually, right? You know? Then you're done actually, right? Correct? So whatever they covered since last 4 days, if you don't treat your life simple, everything is possible, right? Every damn thing is possible. You know, there's so many possibilities. So many possibilities. Because now, when I think about my goals, those goals, leave those goals. I was not even knowing those figures when I started the business actually, right? But why exactly I keep thinking about new goals? Because it become a game. Video game खेलते ना? Contra खेला है? या Mario? करे? Ting 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 ting, level 1, level 2, level 3. रोज खेलते एक्सपर्ट बन जाते ना? तो ये खेल हो गया अभी. वीडियो गेम है. Making money and earning a lot of money and stay grounded and be on the ground is like a game. It's just a game, right? Do you want to play this game all your life, right? Some people say, what keeps you going after so many years also? I am not going, I'm just flowing. Like a water. Correct? It's not an effort at all because it's a game. Do you want to play all your life? I'm not talking about any game, but is it good to keep playing all your life? We do this business to play, na? We say, na, you pay first and then play later, right? So this business now, doing this business is a game. Correct? Having a goal and achieving again is a game. And if you lose in one game, contra में कभी ऐसा होता है? When you're playing, suddenly, you get distracted and one life gone, right? Then what do you do after that? Do you आज के बाद नहीं खेलूंगा ऐसा कभी करते हैं? Do you do that? But here what happens? Here what happens? One person say no, who is close to you, correct? Or 1 week, or 1 month, or 1 year, you don't make money, too much. A lot of money, right? So क्या solution उसका? What is the solution if you don't make money for 1 year? First check, why I'm not making money? Am I not working? What am I not doing? Okay, one side growing, I'm working there, another side not growing. The way this side grew, this side also will grow in the next 1 year, right? Correct? True? Do you think, oh, 1 year no money, I'll stop playing this game? Or simple, if 1 year no money and you feel that, okay, fine, it is difficult to survive, take up a job again for few hours, but still that is temporary. That is temporary. Focus on the business. After you build this, again, kick the job. Use job like a football. No, how can I do a job now again? How can I do a job again now, right? तो मर जाओ जाके कुएं में कूद जाओ फिर. I mean, why complication? Some people say, but मैंने सोचा था, I left, but now it's not happening. So is it complicated? people make it complicated on the face itself, right? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? लाइबिलिटीज हैं, घर चलाना है, पैसे नहीं बन रहे हैं, एक ही साइड बढ़ रहा है, तो नौकरी ले ले, छोटी मोटी, टाइम पास के लिए। तेरे कॉन्टैक्ट भी बढ़ेंगे, दिमाग भी खराब नहीं होगा, करेक्ट? और बाकी शाम को काम कर, बाकी लोग भी करते हैं ना ऐसे। तो ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है क्या? फिर काहे को इतनी बकचोदी करते हैं लोग, और काहे को मतलब आके अपलाइन को पकाते हैं। Are you getting me? मतलब अपलाइन, I want to sit with you. हाँ, sit. Then what? क्या करूं? क्या करूं मतलब तेरे को पता 3 left 3 right $250, right? नहीं, बट कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। मतलब भाई कॉन्स्टिपेशन होता, कुछ नहीं होता तो क्या करता तू? फाइबर खाता है ना, हो जाता है ना। तो यहां प्लान दिखा, यहां पे भी हो जाएगा, राइट? आई मीन टू से, आई डोंट नो, बिलीव मी, आई टिल डेट आस्क वियतनाम टीम इज हियर, पूर टीम इज हियर, हाउ मच आई काउंसिल? डू आई काउंसिल? डू आई काउंसिल विथ यू? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आई काउंसिल्ड विथ यू? one-on-one, sit, I will tell you the, do I do that with you? कभी किया? नहीं किया। What we did when you met me, what we did together? हाँ? क्या किया?
Casual talk.
Casual talk, मस्ती किया, मैंगो जूस पिया, तूने नहीं मैंने पिया, बीच में, करेक्ट? और ऐश किया, और क्या करते हैं? पूल खेलते हैं, हाँ? नहीं, what we do when we meet? Whenever we meet, what we do? I play pool and they watch me playing. That's it, right? That's my counseling, right? Why to make it complicated? Come, sit. We will sit together. Om, grim, 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 boom. Huh? Huh? And you don't understand, you're wasting your time. And the upline also, जो बैठ के ये चुतियापा कर रहा है, वो भी तो अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है। Are you getting me? Simple. Some people say, भाई नहीं हो रहा, छोड़ दे, थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लूं, ले ले, जब मन करे वापस कर लेना। True? But I can only say this if I'm not depending on that person, right? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, छोड़ दे। वैसे भी कंधे पे लेके चलूंगा तो मैं मर जाऊंगा, right? True or not? So is it simple or not, right? Is it simple? Is there any rocket science in this? You know, it will be only simple when you know only one thing. I have to take control of my life and I need to push myself, no one else. When I push myself, people will come who want to be pushed by you automatically, actually, right? Are you with me? Correct? So it's all here. Money आज नहीं है, कल आ जाएगा. You know, today it's not there, tomorrow it will come. But when it will come, what will be your relationship with the money? And relationship does not start after marriage. It starts before, actually, right? So if you're going around with someone, the girl stays in another house, you stay in another house, relationships start. And because if the relationship is good, then only she come to your house. Same Lakshmi also, right? If you are too much worried, imagine, money is a girl or a boy, whatever, right? And if you're too much worried about money all the time, today it is not there, correct? My bank account is empty, this is so expensive. Today I got so much of money, but I should not spend it all together. I should keep something in good luck, correct? So money thinks, मैं इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हूं तेरी जिंदगी में कि 24 घंटा मैं ही घूमता रहता हूं तेरे दिमाग में, छोड़, मैं तेरी जिंदगी से दूर ही चला जाता हूं, राइट? Are you getting me? Simple. Are you playful with money? You know, if there's a man and a woman or a girl or a boy is in a relationship, right? If they are not playful, does it last? एक बंदा दूसरे को लेकर सिक्योर ही है. Imagine girls or boys, whatever, right? Imagine your partner is insecure about you. You are okay, but insecure always. कहाँ जा रहे हो? क्यों फोन नहीं उठाया? Promise you will never leave me, right? When will we get married? Huh? Are you getting me? मेरे से पहले कितने थे? अबे क्या करना? Why don't you live in now and enjoy and be playful about the moment right now, right? Are you getting me? And because of these complications, and it's not, the money also same, relationship also same, everything, na? Now imagine if you have a girlfriend like this, or you have a boyfriend like this, how many days or months or years you can actually tolerate that? How many? Huh? Correct or not, right? Maybe for longer also if you don't have any other option, right? Huh? But the moment you see option more playful, बहुत हो गया अभी बहुत पक गया हूँ मैं, right? Huh? Correct or not, right? True? So check your relationship with money. Now, you earning $1,000 a week. Example, leave financial freedom, leave your max out income and all that, right? You are earning $1,000, okay, $2,000 a month. Let's take $2,000 a month, okay? Now tell me, $2,000 a month, what will you do with that money, right? Do you know that? Do you even know that? Every month after month after month after month after month, $2,000 extra coming actually, right? क्या करोगे उसके साथ में? Will you be happy? Will you be spending that money? Or you will be thinking, पूरा नहीं खर्च करते, पता नहीं. Think. For those who earned a big check, maybe 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 a week, earned once at least, right? What you did with that check? What you did? Huh? Spend and have. No, but what you did and how you spend actually, right? How you spend? गड्ढे में डाला, right? गड्ढे में डाला. So which means you could not even felt a difference by having an extra money, right? So money बोला यार मेरे को कोई फायदा नहीं है इसके बाद जाके. True? Correct? But imagine on the other side, you are getting $2,000 a month, you're not bothered, okay, fine. I will take my parents to 5-star dinner. For them it is once in lifetime. After that tomorrow, even if tomorrow onwards money stop coming, at least I gave them one experience, right? Correct? Okay? And then when you give that experience, that money will notice how happy you are. Money will notice he's instrumental in spreading some happiness in your family, right? True? And if suppose somebody become happy looking at you, would you like to go to that person again and again? Correct or not? Temporary happiness? No, I'm talking about the real happiness, right? Correct? And then you start dreaming again more, right? Bigger one. Then you say, it will come, I will do this, I will do this, I'll do that. People think, but when money come, वो छोड़ते समय ना ऐसा tight पकड़ के रखते हैं. How many people? Happens or not, right? Tight पकड़ के रखते हैं. आ गया है. You earned that money and you decided to spend also, but still. है ना? निकलता ही नहीं है. True? Correct? निकलता ही नहीं है. And if it is not going to go out, the money don't like to be stagnant. Which means you are scared. You are not sure whether this relationship will last or not actually, right? You are insecure. Obviously, that other person will go away, na? Will not come back to you, right? True? And then, on the other side, somebody who embrace. Okay, I want to buy this. I want to change my entire wardrobe. How much money will be required? Okay, 5 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, I will change entire wardrobe. The moment, before that money could come in, you go and start checking what you will pick up and everything actually, right? So you are happy for the money. You are welcoming actually, right? घर में नई बहू आने वाली है, ढोल मंजीरा already बज रहे हैं actually, right? Huh? So what happen? And then what will happen? He will happily come in. Obviously you have to put an effort also. But the moment money will come in, you know, and without any fear, you go and spend because you know what you want, right? Because you don't want that money, you want the happiness from that money, right? And money will see you happy. Every day money will see you in different outfit and feeling, and thank God I got this money, right? Thank God I got this money, because every day you look good. You look good and you're confident and you're happy, right? Because you change the entire wardrobe. You don't want to now, now some people change the wardrobe. It's not changing a wardrobe. They buy 2 shirts, 2 pants. Okay? And they keep it down there. Correct? And they will wait for the occasion. Okay? मेरे घर में भी ऐसी था, मैं भी ऐसी था पहले. Correct? I'm talking about when my parents used to control my life, right? After that, when I was in a job also, right? Why? Suddenly, if you remove something new, where? घर वाले बोले, why this today? What's special? How many people like that? भाई, अब क्या खराब कर डालोगे पूरा पहन के? True? So that's why we used to buy clothes in Diwali only. Correct? Correct or not, right? And then that Diwali it will be new, right? Then after Diwali till Holi, maybe one more time we will wear that, right? Then from then to next Dashera, second, third time, right? Correct? And then I was like that. Now, you know now how? We are walking in the street in New York, suddenly my shoes start biting, Gucci, whatever it is. I said, remove it, go to the mall, buy new shoe. New shoe only I will wear and put the old in the bag and take out, right? Otherwise, before what? Before this, those guys used to tell, are you going to wear this? No, pack कर दो आप. फिर वो उसका उद्घाटन होगा उसका, right? We will inaugurate those shoes, right? You know? And those white shoes, you remember? Whites, PT shoes or sports shoes, right? Every time somebody hit this. Correct? True or not? और फिर एक दिन बारिश आती थी, पूरी कसर निकल जाती थी इसमें. What was that? You know, I was like that. That's the reason why I had only 2 shoes in my life. Black, brown and sports. Only 3. Always. Black, brown and sports shoes. That's it. And new shoe only used to come when the old one की लग गई है. You know? उसके बिना, मतलब it was a necessity. When necessity, then only, right? Because having more shoes was a luxury, right? True? That's how I used to think. But in this business, we changed. We started thinking about, you know, why not? All the luxury become necessity. Because this business, when we understood anything is possible, you know how we calculate? We saw the house. How much it is? You know, I still remember once me, Kavita, Sharfun, we were talking about something house or land or something like that. So they always this much amount. Okay, we don't understand amount. How many weeks income? So car is not million dirham. It is how many weeks income? Some people don't even understand this, right? Correct. So if you want to buy something worth $100,000, तो ऐसे एक हफ्ते की इनकम चल ठीक है. किसी और के लिए शायद 20 हफ्ते की इनकम है. किसी और के लिए शायद वो 50 हफ्ते की इनकम है. It all depends on you, right? So this is how we calculate everything, right? Because our relationship with the money is changed completely, right? We are not scared. Money is a best friend to us. We don't even know now how to get scared of money actually. Some people are scared after they start earning a lot of money actually, right? But tax ka kya kare? what to do with the tax. Till now you were cribbing, crying because money was not coming. Now it started coming, you are cribbing, crying, oh, what to do with the tax. That's the problem, right? At least enjoy and express gratitude that you will figure out on the way what to do with the tax, right? Correct or not? That's the difference between people who are 3% and 97%, right? So you have to shift the thought process actually, right? Shift the thought process. You know? Now in this business, some people will work, some won't work. किसी को टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा, किसी को कम लगेगा. किसी की बहुत लगेगी, पास्ट कर्मा के ऊपर डिपेंड करता सब कुछ, right? बट काम करते रहेंगे तो लाइफ तो चेंज होगी, राइट? सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल, राइट? वेरी सिंपल ना. So somebody who's confident, for me working is no problem. That is one thing fix. You keep working, keep pushing yourself. Second, for me, money is my best friend. You know, you don't think anything detrimental about money, right? Okay? These two things fix. खत्म. Life तो simple हो गई ना. और क्या है? और क्या है? What do you want? True? How many people saw a lot of people on the stage and they felt, I also want to go on the stage? How many people? Correct? Secret बताऊं? मैंने कभी घंटा सपना देखा था वहां जाने का. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही पैसा सपना देखा था. बहुत सारा पैसा, बहुत अच्छी लाइफ. नहीं जाएंगे स्टेज पे, ताली बजाएंगे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, राइट? You getting it? Now suddenly you started the business for money, right? Suddenly you saw some people going there who are always focusing on the money and changing life, right? For them going there is just by the way, right? Their focus was not there, right? But suddenly your focus become, I want to go there, I want to go there, I want to go there. So suddenly your focus shifted from money to recognition actually, right? बहुत लोग करते हैं ये बेवकूफ़ी. पैसा आ गया बहुत सारा, उसके बाद में suddenly that become, that's a sacred place. But nobody can take away your spot, which is already fixed there. Correct? But don't try to make your spot there, right? It will become your spot automatically. If you only focus on your goals, your dreams and everything, that is only by the way actually, right? That is only by the way. Because the moment you start focusing there, then you will become that dog. जिसको लगता है बैलगाड़ी मेरी वजह से चल रही है, राइट? करेक्ट? और फिर डॉग की जैसी हरकत भी करते हैं वहां पे जाके. पता क्या करते हैं? डॉग क्या करता है अपना स्पॉट बनाने के लिए? नहीं, टांग ऊपर करता है वो दूसरा है. और क्या करता है बैठने के पहले? वो खोदता है वहां पे. खोदता है, मालूम है? उसको उधर पे गोला बना के मैं आऊंगा, ये मेरी जगह है, राइट? करेक्ट? ट्रू? बॉस, खोदने की जरूरत नहीं है. काम करते रहो, अपने आप काम कर करके स्पॉट बन जाएगा वहां पे, फिक्स स्पॉट रह जाएगा. करेक्ट? So again, my point is, what is your relationship with the money? First of all, are you simple in your thought process or complicated? सिंपल है? कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है तो सिंपल बनना पड़ेगा धीरे धीरे. उसके लिए अवेयर होना पड़ेगा. You have to be aware about that, right? You have to consciously correct your thoughts, right? अभी जैसे for example, sometimes we, in the process of becoming simple, how exactly we make fun actually, right? Like last 2-3 years back, we had a तारना जिसकी वजह से ना बाल काट दिए थे सबने. हम गंजे हो गए थे हम सारे. तो लड़कियों ने भी बाल काटे थे. सो कविता, शरफुन, सबने ऐसे बाल काटे हुए थे. तो वो बड़े फनी हो गए थे आफ्टर सम टाइम. तो द गर्ल्स, यू नो दैट हेयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? सो दे सेड, यार कितना बुरा लग गए हैं. अभी नाउ वी डोंट वांट, वी बिकम द पर्सन लाइक दैट, दोज हु आर नॉट, नो नीड टू थिंक, जो हमारे हाथ में नहीं, राइट? सो दे यूज्ड टू टेल ईच अदर. कविता यूज्ड टू टेल, यू नो, किसका प्रॉब्लम, बाल का प्रॉब्लम अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, राइट? हमारा प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो बाल मैनेज करेगा अपने आप, राइट? आर यू गेटिंग मी? करेक्ट? ट्रू? सिंपल. उसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं, ओ माय गॉड, दिस दैट. सिंपल. सो Why exactly? When we started, we were very simple in our thought process. Maybe God's grace. Second, हमारे पास कोई लोग ही नहीं थे इर्द गिर्द में ज़्यादा ज्ञान बांटने वाले. सिस्टम जाते थे, क्रॉस लाइन का सिस्टम था, एंट्री मिल जाती थी, वही ग्रैटिट्यूड था, राइट? करें, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं. उसके काम खुद को करना था. खुद किससे बात करें? कोई अपलाइन था नहीं जिसको जाके ज्ञान ले लें जिससे जाके. और यहाँ तो इतने अपलाइन बड़े पड़े हैं. अपलाइन ज़्यादा है, डाउनलाइन कम है यहाँ पे एक्चुअली, राइट? सारे तो अपलाइन बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, राइट? आप अपलाइन हो किसी ना किसी के, अपलाइन हो ना किसी ना किसी के. तो काउंसलिंग करते हो लोगों की, करते हो ना? काउंसलिंग की स्पेलिंग चेक करो पहले, आती है क्या? मुझे नहीं आती है. Are you getting me? काउंसलिंग क्या करना है? क्या है धंधा? 3 लेफ्ट 3 राइट 250, अपनी पीछे बम्बू डालो, काम करते रहो. कोई आ जाएगा आपके जैसा लेफ्ट में राइट में और मैक्स आउट हो जाओगे, खत्म. नहीं. बट हम रोज ज्ञान बांटेंगे, राइट? ज्ञान की गंगा बह रही है, करेक्ट? मतलब लोटा लेके आने की भी जरूरत नहीं, गंगा बह रही ना, रोज बह रही है. चुल्लू में पानी पियो, निकल लो आगे. इतनी सस्ती हो गई ज्ञान की गंगा. Are you getting me? So please understand, you have to be very, 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 very simple. And this business is not difficult. You become easy person, business become easy for you actually, right? You become easy person, you will become easy upline. You become easy person, less complicated, you will become easy downline. Every upline will love you, every downline will love you, every prospect will love you, everyone will come hug you, kiss you, money will love you, and everything will love you actually, right? Success will love you, right? No rocket science. Be simple. Correct? No? So like for example, अभी मतलब इतना हवा बन गया ना. अभी जैसे वो दोपहर में अनाउंस किया इन्होंने कि कुछ तो था ना, फ्राइडे है आज, L1 करेंगे तो कुछ मिलेगा, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, राइट? How many people did their L1? किया बहुत सारे लोगों ने, और एक्साइटेड भी थे. मेरा L1 हो गया, मेरा L1 हो गया, मेरा L1 हो गया. 12 बजे से नाच रहे हैं मन में, मेरा L1 हो गया, राइट? वो आप नाच रहे हो 12 बजे से, वहां पे कोई दूसरा आदमी जिसने आज के आज ही 20 डीआर ठोक दिए, राइट? क्या डिफरेंस है? क्या डिफरेंस क्या है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? करता गया, ये तो हो रहा है ना. और हमने कर लिया एक, और उसके बाद क्या हो गया? हम रुक गए. सेलिब्रेशन. ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम किया हमने, राइट? कुछ भी तो नहीं था. Are you getting me? और चलो उसने तो किया, बहुत सारे तो many people are not even able to do that. Why? Because they are fighting the battle in the head, right? अच्छा, it's not that if it is not done, it's okay, no problem at all. But check, have you given a real sincere attempt towards doing it actually, right? Real sincere attempt to do that, right? Answer you will get. मतलब गाड़ी निकलने के पहले ही गैराज से सोच लिया, छोड़ो यार सारे सिग्नल बंद हो गए, भी नहीं निकालते, राइट? सब सारे सिग्नल खुल जाएंगे तब निकालेंगे. आज ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ, कल ये होगा, अभी पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, कौन करेगा, क्या होगा. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग साइन अप वुड हैव हैपेंड, बट यू वुड हैव स्पोकन टू 5-10 पीपल विद द एक्साइटमेंट. मे बी जाने के बाद हो जाते हैं उनके साइन अप एक्चुअली, राइट? आर यू विद मी? राइट? सो कॉम्प्लिकेशन, राइट? कॉम्प्लिकेशन, करेक्ट? You know, I'm spending a lot of time with Kerala people, so I'm trying to speak like that, right? And you know the secret? I never ever stepped into Kerala till date in my life actually, right? Correct? That's the beauty of the business. True? So, relationship with the money. First of all, you have to understand there is abundance available in this universe actually, right? Abundance. जितना चाहिए उतना ले मिल सकता है. but वो सोचने की औकात भी होनी चाहिए कि जितना चाहिए, no? Again, if so much of complication, how money will flow in, right? Smooth. If the thought process is smooth, everything will keep coming in, keep coming in, keep coming in actually, right? True? You want 100 crores, it will come. You want 1,000 crore, it will. I'm telling you, I can give you in writing actually, right? I used to talk about 100 crores when I had no goal. You know, after shifting to Dubai, I had no goal. So, अच्छा लगता था. After sharing, we used to say, my goal is 100 crore. And I didn't even realize that in 2-3 years, that 100 crores crossed already actually, right? And believe me, no, now 100 crore बहुत छोटा नजर आता है. गरीब है उसमें तो आदमी, मालूम है? गरीब है उसमें आदमी. Are you getting me? Now you're thinking, you know, all the millionaires are the poorest lot in 3% people actually, you know that? Millionaires are the poorest in top 3%, right? Because the wealthiest there are billionaires, trillionaires, right? So, चल try करते हैं billion कमाने का, right? कैसे? I don't care. कुछ तो करते रहेंगे तो आएगा ना? Are you getting me? सोचना है सबसे पहले. True? You know, people go for shopping. Now, how many people are crazy for shopping? बड़ी बड़ी बात छोड़ दो. How many people are crazy for shopping? Crazy? If I give you $2,000, okay, every month, or chalo, first time if I give you, suppose $10,000 I give you, or 10 lakhs, which is $20,000, right? How will you spend? Do you know that? How will you spend? Can you go and spend in one day? You're not hello. You're not supposed to buy any asset, no jewelry, no asset, no vehicle, okay? You have to just spend and change your wardrobe, right? Where will you go? You know, 90% guarantee you will go to the same place where you were going before. 90%. Maybe you will pick up more clothes, but your self-image will not allow you to go to a bigger place, a bigger brand. Most of the people, right? Or maybe they will go to the old place, buy some extra clothes, and एक गुच्ची लेते अपन, एक उसको डाल के रखेंगे जिंदगी भर अपने अंदर, right? Are you getting me? You know? So please understand. Okay? And people have no idea. I'm talking to all the people sitting here. Those who are above also, those who are earning a lot of money also. And if you are earning a lot of money, according to you, okay, that means you're not spending enough time with somebody who knows more than you about the money actually, right? Correct? So I'm talking to platinum, diamond, sapphires, everyone actually, right? You know, and that means that universe, abundance, is still unexplored by you because you are closing your eyes. You're in a comfort zone actually, right? Correct? If next DWD, if we tell people that one night, after fourth night, one night, we will have a gala dinner, black tie, dress code will be the black tie, right? Okay? Black tie, tuxedo gown actually, right? I'm telling you, 90% people will go and ask, भैया tuxedo क्या होता है? या पता भी होगा ना, तो शायद उसको कैरी करने के लिए मेरी हालत वही थी. That's why we started Elite Club, right? Why we started Elite Club? Because all of us were like that. Why? So that we can carry it, you know, things which millionaires or billionaires carry so easily actually, right? True? Are you with me? If tomorrow you wear a suit among your friends, fancy suit, right? How many of you will be comfortable actually? I was not before. जब मैं कॉलेज में था, स्कूल में था और जॉब में भी था, तो ना बड़ा ऐसा लगता था आज कुछ अलग हो गया है टाइप से, नो? How many? That means you don't want more clothes. You don't like to look good, right? So your relationship with clothes are not good. That's why you don't change. Same with money also, right? You know? Are you getting me? So there's a lot to explore. It's in abundance. But are you really ready to explore your relationship with your money? Correct? 90% people are desperate for money. And some people who get the money, they're scared of losing it again, right? Correct? What if you lose it? Suppose you earn $100,000 and you lose it. What will happen? Are you going to die? Then why to worry? You earned it once, right? You can earn it again. But the problem is, you are scared. I don't know whether I'll be able to earn it again. So because of that, first time only it will not come. First time only it will not come actually, right? Correct? Some people say, no, I am not doing this business for money. So that is why it is not coming, na? It does not motivate me. That's why it is not coming. Are you getting me? That's why it is not coming. It's a different thing that, okay, I want to earn a lot of money, but it is not important in life. Itna kama lo na, itna kama lo, itna aaye. Frankly speaking, it is not important for us today. For a day-to-day life, I mean to say, day-to-day, right? You know? Suddenly, if you go to a shop, suddenly something price is astonishingly high, we don't faint there, right? ऐसा बोलेंगे, अरे बड़ा महंगा है, ठीक है दे दो फिर भी कोई बात नहीं. This is the maximum discussion, right? Are you getting me? You know, when we have to travel, it is a first class, and we tell also, Emirates first class is a rip-off, but still we'll go there only, right? Why? Because it is not a luxury. It is a necessity actually now, right? Are you getting me? So looking good, having good money, feeling secure is a luxury for you or necessity for you? But in the head, do we treat it like a necessity or luxury? Luxury, na? True? Feeling uncomplicated in your head. Is it a necessity or luxury? Pata hi nahi hai, right? For me, that's very important. Some people ask me, why you become vegetarian and this and that? I said, boss, sab kuch kar liya. Most important thing is less complication, less phaltu ke emotion and peaceful life, right? And when I heard that you eat emotion of that animal, I said, boss, nahi khana meko. You know, not because, oh, I feel, oh, why you're killing and all that. Okay, that is a different story. But I have to protect my own self first, right? Okay, even if some people can say, no, it never works like that. वो सब बकवास है, बोलने के लिए है. It never works like that, right? It's no problem. Even if it doesn't work like that, but even if it works 1% like that, I don't want to have that, right? Because I will not die without that. But I want simple life, simple thought process, no complication, no phaltu ka emotion. That's why if I have to stop something which I love, I will stop. That's not a problem, right? So is it simple to decide or difficult to decide? But then, somebody who want to lose weight, for example, right? Simple, okay, I don't want to be like this. I want to change. For that, whatever I love maybe, because of which I am the way I am, so I have to stop. Okay, fine. Is it complicated or simple? Simple, na? Correct? But you make it complicated. True? But you know what? मेरे से ना सिर्फ ये चीज जो है ना ये ही नहीं छोड़ सकता मैं ना I don't even ऐसा करके मैं आगे निकल जाता हूँ. Why to even talk? Why to even talk? Suppose if one guy want to lose weight and you know that this guy eats a lot of carbs and sugar and all that, right? And he's justifying, but ये problem है, but ये problem है, मैं काय को अपना गला खराब करूं? Which means you don't want that so badly that you can leave something which is very important, right? Again, complicated, right? Correct? True? So first you have to change the relationship with the money. How you think about the money. Now you learned everything in the last 4 days, right? But if you still think the same way about money, and obviously, basically, how you change suddenly there's no switch, right? That you change the switch and you learn more about that, right? It is a conscious effort. It's a conscious monitoring of your thoughts and replacing those thoughts which are complicated by simple thoughts actually, right? And the way, if you do that for a longer period of time, you become a person like that actually, right? Do you want to become a person like that? Even, chalo, money, success, business, side mein karo. Don't think about it. But even in life, if you become less complicated in your own head, will you be better than now? Do it for yourself. Correct? True? Like for example, many years back when I lost weight, I decided, okay, I need to lose my weight. Okay? Suddenly I realized in one year after shifting to Dubai, I gained 20 kg, right? And I saw my own photo, I said, who is this guy? And then I said, okay, it took 12 weeks to lose. Only 12 weeks. Decision, right? Decision. Correct? And after that, second decision, now I will maintain. Third decision, now I'll become better than this, right? Why? Because why to look back where you're coming from all the time? Why not looking where I want to go next, right? Oh, you know what, 20 I lost, but I gained only 5. फिर वापस सरकने लगे आप पीछे 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 पीछे, right? Finally you will go there, right? Forget about that. Something which you didn't like, forget about that completely, right? Compare yourself with your best all the time, right? Whether it is income, or it is a mindset, or it is your body, or it is your health, everything actually, right? True? Simple. So after that, there was a time, after losing 20 kg in 2014, I guess, right? My all clothes were like hanger, sab dheela. And I was completely desi before that, right? So I was not knowing what is what, brand, this, that. I was making a lot of money, but कोई करने वाला नहीं था change मुझे. ऐसा नहीं है मुझे करना नहीं था, but मुझे change करने वाला भी नहीं था, and there was no one to even tell me about that actually, right? Then Kavita told me, if you don't do your shopping, I will not come with you anywhere because you're ढीला ढाला कपड़े लेके, right? Okay? So I said, my God, now full wardrobe to be changed. मतलब शर्ट, पैंट, सब कुछ अंदर बाहर सब चेंज करना पड़ेगा. 20 किलो वजन गिरा था. Correct? So what to do? So I was in Dubai Association. अब दुबई में we were new, 1 year old only, but there are people who live for a long time. Correct? They don't have money, but they know everything. Okay? So you can ask them. So I asked somebody, right? As I was telling that, oh my God, I hate to do shopping, and full wardrobe change means, oh my God. Oh my God. I said, I wish if somebody can do it for me. She said, yeah, there are people. You can have personal shopper. I said, really? And believe me, I was not knowing about all this, right? Jabalpur se Bombay se, 2000. So I was not knowing about all that. I said, really? Okay, give me the number. I said, ask the guy to call me. This guy called me. I called him to the clubhouse near my house. And I went and met him. So he's like, I said, dude, बैठा हुआ है. वो आया बोला. So she told me that you want to, उसका भी posture ना, नया customer, right? So you want to change something and all that, right? What do you want to change? Your image, from where to where? I said, मुझे कुछ change नहीं करना, कपड़े चाहिए मुझे. कपड़े चाहिए मुझे, right? I don't have clothes. I lost 20 kg and I hate to do that. So can you do it for me? He said, what do you want to do? I said, everything. I hate to prepare the list also, right? I said, formal, casual, traditional, shorts, sleeping, clothes, everything actually, right? Everything. Shoes, casual shoes, formal shoes, everything. So he said, okay. What is your budget? I said, I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता. You do one thing. You prepare the list. How many trousers I should have? How many underwear I should have? Okay? You do everything, prepare the list, and he said, but which kind of brand? I said mid-segment, okay? Not too cheap, not too unnecessary. You know, Gucci के underwear नहीं पहनना मेरे को रोज, right? So I said, okay, no problem, right? And then he prepared the list, and then सब लिखा उसने, and he gave me the estimate. How much? He said 50,000-60,000 dirham. This is a first cut. काम चलता रहेगा, फिर आपको बीच में ले सकते हो कुछ तो भी, है ना? पूरा वार्डरोब तो फिल हो जाएगा. 60,000 dirham, 60-65,000 कुछ तो था, 60-65,000 dirham, which means how many dollars? Around about 15 to 20,000 dollars, right? Which means how many rupees? 13 to 15 lakhs. 13 lakhs, round about, right? I said, okay. So he said, I'll tell you about my charges. I said, okay. He said, I'll take 500 dirham per hour. Okay. I said, okay. But I don't know how many hours it will take. He said, estimated, it will take around 20 hours, but I'll give you discount 400 hours a week. 400 dirhams an hour. I said, but I cannot come for 20 hours together. मेरे को 2 घंटे से ज़्यादा चक्कर आने लगते हैं शॉपिंग में, right? So 2 से 3 घंटा बस, right? And I will not go shop to shop. You go first, you check everything, what you like and what should fit in, and then I go, and then we try, and you and me discuss, and we pick up, right? So he said, okay. So total 20 hours, 400 dirhams a hour, which means total how much? 8,000 dirham, which means how much total? 1,50,000 rupees, right? मेरे को एक बात बताओ, 1.5 लाख रुपए means how many checks? How many? 4 checks. 4 checks, right? If my entire burden is given to someone else, his problem is to make me look good, and I pay him 4 checks. Is it easy and simple life or complicated life? Correct? But what happens? What happens? Here people sitting, they earn money also. But when they get to know I have to give 1.5 lakh rupee to that guy, भाई अपन कर लेते ना खुद ही. अबे खुद वही करोगे जो इतने साल से करते आ रहे हो, राइट? Are you getting me? अगर उसका काम है दूसरों को अच्छा दिखाना, तो करने दो उसको काम. True? Correct? So what is the problem? And then you will learn something new. Now I don't need him. For 2 years I used him, right? And I learned everything. Before I was not even knowing anything. Was not knowing anything about what to wear, would go with what and all that. He only asked me one thing: do you have any inhibition? I said, boss, 20 kilo वजन किया है, कम हुआ है, अभी कोई घंटा कोई inhibition नहीं, right? If you tell me to wear a pink trouser, I'll wear that also, right? I have no problem, right? That's it. He said, very good. And he became friend. We used to have coffee in the mall, do shopping, and he used to carry the bag for me like this. He was a guy, not a gay. Okay. So, okay. And he used to do that. And I learned. Is it too expensive? Is it too expensive? How many people, okay, tell me one thing. How many of you really feel that you deserve the best? Feel you deserve to feel the best, look the best, and you know, and deserve to get treated best, right? Right? Okay? Now, if you think like that, do you understand that there are a lot of things which we don't know? वो किसी और का काम है. True? So what is easy? Learn something new for yourself or earn more and pay the person and get it done. What is easy? But complication क्या होता? अरे उसको इतना मुश्किल से कमाया, उसको दे देंगे ये वो, उस चक्कर में complicated again. लक्ष्मी feel like कितना complicated आदमी नहीं आती इसके पास में, जाओ. Are you getting me? True? So first of all, and we talk about $1 million business, right? बड़ा बड़ा बात करते हैं. But somebody in the, and the reason why these days people are not able to get the good profiles, right? The vice president, the AVPs, the CEOs of the company, right? Why? You know, these people are successful in their life, right? Okay, you have something which they don't have, this business, right? And they also need. But when you go and talk to them, they need to see that you know something more than them actually, right? Even if you don't know. First of all, they will only get to know you know more than them when you open the mouth, right? But before opening the mouth, they will see you upside, you know, top to bottom, right? And when they see you, if not millionaire, at least you should look similar to them. Correct? True or not? So, and for that, when we start earning money, we have to make money best friend and spend money. Don't be scared. Change life, one aspect of a life at a time, right? You know? Okay, I want to feel good. I want to look good. I want to spend money. What if tomorrow you die? Suppose today you are earning $2,000 a month. आपका सपना क्या है? मैं ना बड़ा सा विला बनाऊंगा. उसके लिए कितने पैसे चाहिए? 5 करोड़. तो इकट्ठे कर रहे हैं. 2 लाख, हर महीने के 2 लाख, है ना? गुल्लक में डाल रहे हैं. करें? और मर गए सडनली. क्या होगा? So what is best? Best is what? Huh? So basically what you are earning, squeeze maximum out of that. Get the good feeling. Let the money feel you're welcoming. And let the money feel that this relationship is really good. You are in love with money actually, right? Then money will love you also actually. Right? How many people want to stay with someone who make them feel that they're not lovable actually, right? There's something to be scared of. There's something to be insecure of, right? Not really, right? Would you want to stay with that kind of person? So understand, money also has heart. You know? So amazing. Let go. Let go. Welcome a lot and then let him flow. बांध के क्यों रखना है उसको? जितना खुला छोड़ेंगे उतना आएगा ज्यादा एक्चुअली, राइट? यू नो, बट वो अगेन खुला छोड़ने के लिए हमको रिलेशनशिप विद दैट मनी नीड टू गो बेटर एक्चुअली, राइट? ट्रू? सो I don't know whether they have. I wanted to show you. You know, it's not just about money. जैसे जैसे mind change होता ना, change. You know, in this business you will earn a lot of money. But if you not change everything, the way you think, the way your relationship with everything, whether it is money, relationship with the car, relationship with, what is your relationship with the car? वो सुबह से कल 4 दिन से सुन रहा हूँ BMW, Mercedes, कुछ नहीं है, 4 पहिए हैं उसमें और कुछ नहीं है. 3 का टप्पर है वो, मालूम है? बट जब घुसती है ना कॉफी शॉप में तो प्रोस्पेक्ट को वही टप्पर अच्छा लगता है, तो क्या कर सकते हैं? Nothing. I'll tell you the change in mindset. You know, when money become best friend, what kind of decisions you take actually, right? I'll tell you. 2013 when I was in Dubai, 2012 we shifted, 13 we were in Dubai. I was supposed to take one VSL of 25-30 people only. Okay, I reached little early. लाइसेंस नहीं था उस समय मेरे पास में. ओके, लाइसेंस के लिए मैं टेस्ट क्लासेस ले रहा था दुबई में. दुबई लाइसेंस इज लाइक अ IIT. ओके, सो I was taking classes. So I reached, and coincidentally, the VSL was fixed at a place which has a exotic car showroom next door. So I reached early. So one of my first downline there, she was there with me. I said, Charu, chal, car khelte andar jaake, right? Bore ho rahe hain, kya karenge? And my license was supposed to come anyway. Me and Kavita was talking, we need one more car. One is a family car, which driver drives. One we need a sedan also, right? So I went inside. हम check कर रहे हैं. McLaren, not McLaren, sorry, McLaren, right? McLaren is something else actually, huh? Okay, so McLaren, then Ferrari, then Lamborghini, then so many cars, right? ऐसा अपने को तो लाल, पीली, काली ऐसी नजर आ रही थी, right? घंटा समझता उसके बारे में क्या है उसमें. You getting me? So I clicked pictures and showed Kavita, which one? She said red one. उसको भी घंटा समझ में आ रहा कौन सी है वो red one, right? Correct. And then I had no plan to buy that day. I had no plan to buy that car that day and ever after. And ever after also I had no plan. No dream also, right? Okay? Because I'm not a car person. Okay? But it's okay to have cars even if you're not a car person. So I mean to say I don't know much about cars. So what happened? We went inside. And then I asked the guy, one salesman, how much is this for? So he said, I said, this red Ferrari. So he said 1.3 million or something like that. And I said, okay. And then I asked him only one question. If I buy today and if I sell after 1 year, how much I'll get back? So he said, maybe 250,000 will go. Correct? 1.3 million, maybe you'll get 1 million after 1 year, right? I said, okay. So in my head, my relationship with the money is that only, the cost is only 300,000 actually for 1 year. Because I don't have to take a loan. I have that money in the bank account. I pay that. And if I don't like, next year I'll sell and I'll get 1 million back out of 1.3 million, right? So my cost is only 300,000, right? Correct or not? And then I was just doing it for knowledge. No plan to buy. Then I turned, I said, okay, thank you, bro. This is that. And then he said, Inshallah, one day, you know. Udhar to satak li meri. Because Indian in Dubai, and I was 20 kg more, and I was, so, and that was a Syrian dude actually, right? He said, Inshallah, one day. I looked at Charu. I said, did you got sarcasm? She said, yeah, a little bit sarcasm. Indian na we are. I said, go Indian ki auqat dikhate. And then I went back. I said, bro, listen. I used to carry checkbook because I was new in Dubai that time. So I took out the checkbook, cut the check, and I said, this car I will take after 15 years, but you can deposit the check tomorrow. Don't disturb me and confirm again, right? But I will take it after 15 days. Why? Because I don't have a license. But you can deposit the check, right? And I'm sure till next day, till the time check was not clear, he must be thinking whether it will get clear or not, right? And that's how. And then after that, leave this. After that, I said, okay, chalo, Kavita ko dikha dete hain. Kaun si gaadi hai, kya hai? And then we went to Ferrari showroom. I said, okay, can you show it to her? He said, sir, Ferrari is Ferrari, what to show? I said, bhai, roof to khol de. तो 6 सेकंड रूफ खोलने में लगता है, 6 सेकंड बंद होने में लगता है, राइट? ये ओपन हो गया. 3 to 5 minutes we both walked out of the car, and while driving she's telling me, I'm not feeling anything. We were more excited when we bought our second and first Accord actually, right? You know why? Because that time money was like, our relationship with money was not like that. I was dating with money. I was not married to money actually, right? Are you getting me? So understand, anything before. So if you make money your best friend actually, right? He will be with you all the time. If you don't, then even if he come, he will not stay with you actually, right? Correct? You know, that's the reason why we say, even if you get one left and one right who become champion, you will get money, but it will not stay with you because you have not changed. It automatically happen, right? True? जब पैसा आपका दोस्त बन जाता ना अच्छा, you know, your relationship with money become best, then you grow balls of steel actually right after that, right? Are you getting me? Why? Because you're not scared of anything. Two reasons why you're not scared of anything. Number one is because you're not insecure about money. Number two is, you know, even if I lose it, I will make it once again because I know how to do it actually, right? And when you reach to that level, that is the time when you become someone else actually, right? Correct? So you take decisions like this. You know, I was there with Vietnam team, somebody bought a house. During Chinese New Year, we went to the house. And I'm talking to Kavita from there. And even I was talking to Anjan also. I said, it's like, nice house. I feel like buying it. Ek aur toy le lete hain types, you know. But now, because you're not scared about anything, right? And when you're not scared, you get more and more actually. Please understand, the more you're scared, the more it goes away. You know? And it makes you complete change person. Complete awesome, right? Shadow 1, do we have those pictures? Huh? Okay? Now you see transformation. It's not just about money, about everything. I paid somebody to make me look good. Why? Because I was not scared about giving him money, right? True? From where to where? And I'm telling you, you guys are better than me, what I used to be, how I used to be, right? See, this is Delhi. This is our first week on. First week on. Can you see yourself? I think you guys are better than this, huh? This was my highest, like a peak. I was like a panda. Can you see VC Gautam? Can you see Amit Soni and Aditya Balla? This is our first visit to Hong Kong office. First time ever we went to Hong Kong office. This is the first in-service for Kavita and Sharfuni, and my second in-service. See, now that change started now. Yeah, we are down actually. भैया बता दे रहा हूँ, ऐसी करके बता रहा हूँ अभी भी, हाँ? So it's not about money only. Believe me, a lot of people will make money, but you will not see some transformation. You will see, but this much transformation, because see, understand. We are in networkers, right? We should only know one thing: how to make money and how to be good with money, right? Rest all, for everything there are people who can be hired, right? Shamelessly hire them. What's the problem, right? Correct? So now, after going back from here, okay, obviously you will decide few goals and this and that, but you have to start spending time with more people than before actually. People who think differently, people who have a different kind of a relationship with the money, right? People who are sitting at the back actually. So do you want to spend more time with us? So that you start thinking the same way about money, right? Correct? Okay? Because I would love to do that. Because I don't want to teach you how to do prospecting, closing. वो कोई भी गधा भी सिखा देगा मन में. But if you learn this, you will figure out your own way. Correct? But this is a permanent, right? So, and I don't have anything to do other than 1 week in Vietnam every month. I'm Vella. Correct? Completely. Okay? So, how many of you want to come? I said, everyone want to come, right? But obviously everyone, I would love to spend time, but जब तक सबका number आएगा तब तक शायद 2-3 साल निकल जाएंगे, right? So I want to announce something here. I want you earn not big amount, just 10 lakhs in 6 months. How much? Is it big? It's just about 1.5 lakh a month, right? It's not big, right? This is basic, right? Okay? So that you know how to earn, that your upline will also tell. 1.5 lakh a month, which means 10 lakh in 6 months, right? But after earning that 10 lakh in 6 months, keep 5 lakh in the bank account and come to Dubai with those 5 lakhs. Come to Dubai with those 5 lakhs. 5 lakh में अपना रोजमर्रा वो काटो, जो भी काटना है, correct? Come with 5 lakhs. And the way we are going to spend that 5 lakhs, okay, will make you good friend with money, will make you look better and good actually, okay? And also, you will learn how to make this 5 lakh 50 lakhs actually, right? Okay? And I'm telling you, this was, I created an elite club only because of this reason. Because many people who used to max out, they were not knowing what to do with the money. So I said, okay, elite club, at least we will meet because so many people, right? Okay? But imagine, you guys are getting what elite club people used to get, right? Maybe elite club, we go to cruise for 7 days and all, may not be that much. But maybe for 2 days, we can spend half day. 1 day for shopping, 1 day for talking, right? Correct? Okay? Because 5 lakh रुपए में उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा, right? Huh? Correct. That is the beginning only, right? And second day we sit together, we keep next 6 months target, okay? 5 lakh you will spend in 1 day. We keep the target. Next 6 months you will spend 20 lakhs in 1 day actually, right? I'm telling you. 20 lakhs in 1 day. How many of you want to do that? Let's not talk about earning money. Let's talk about, because money is my best. I am not insecure about. Money is easily, money can come very easily and stay very easily with you because money is your best. Okay? And you will not put money into the prison. You will release. You will keep the doors open. Whenever money want to go out, you will allow him to go out so that he can come in with more of his friends actually, right? My job is this only now, right? So if you earn 10 lakhs in next 6 months, how much? 10 lakhs in next 6 months. I'm telling you, immediately after that 6 months, 7th month, what is going on right now? Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay? September. September, you will come to Dubai. My 2 days will be dedicated for all those people, right? Okay? Okay. I will be your driver. I will be your chauffeur. Understand. There's a purpose. Okay? I'll be your driver so that you can sit in the car. I'll be your personal shopper so that you can keep spending later on, right? Okay? Later on, you will hire the shopper actually for yourself. Okay? Done? 6 months, 10 lakhs. And you have to bring at least 5 lakhs in Dubai, right? Done? And then we will make love with money. Not just good relationship, right? Okay, then the money will stay with you. Okay? And it's okay to say yes and whatever, right? But I know why I can commit so much to so many people. I know 12,000 बैठे ना यहाँ पे, 12 लोग आ गए ना तो मेरा काम हो जाएगा. क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा नहीं आएंगे. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं आएंगे. ओके? उससे ज़्यादा नहीं आने वाले. अब उस वो 12 में से आप होगे कि नहीं होगे पता नहीं. It's easy to say yes. Okay? Because with this, you will learn how to consistently make. You will make your relationship better with the money. Otherwise, many people sitting here must have earned 10 lakhs in 6 months. But फिर नीचे आ गया. फिर कभी ऊपर चला गया. कोई control ही नहीं है actually, right? True? Okay? So, and now in the afternoon they announce, right? दिमाग में ना कॉम्प्लिकेशन लाना बंद करो. अनाउंस किया था ना, अभी कितना बजा है और आज क्या है? 7:45 बजा है और आज क्या है? हाँ, फ्राइडे. करेक्ट. सो प्लस डिस्काउंट्स ऑल्सो, राइट? सो जो दोपहर में नहीं किया ना वो अभी करो जाके, बिकॉज दैट 10 lakh विल बी काउंटेड फ्रॉम दिस साइन अप ऑनवर्ड्स, राइट? आर यू गेटिंग मी? राइट? And if you've done your 1L1, why not more? क्यों सोचना है कि बस हो गया? पोटेंशियल है ना और. ट्रू? नो? है कि नहीं? So keep doing. And जिसने नहीं किया है, just ask yourself, can you give only this much of effort? Give your best. Then happens or not happens is a different thing, right? Even if it is not going to happen now, when you give your best, maybe more pipeline will get generated actually, right? Are you getting me? But do it with conviction that it will happen. Imagine if your loved ones are kidnapped and somebody tell you, if you do one sign up today, we will release him. How will you do it actually, right? That kind of effort. That kind of effort. Or if I tell you, you do one sign up now, okay? And you will get $12,500 only for one day. How many people will do it? Correct? So do it. Okay? And many people are still thinking, complicating in the head. It's simple. चलो करते हैं. एक छोटे बच्चे को बोलो ना, जा बेटा, वो अंकल को छू के वापस आ, तेरे को चॉकलेट मिलेगा. वो भाग के जाता है और आके चॉकलेट ले लेता है. थोड़े बड़े होते हैं तो क्या सोचते हैं? पहले चॉकलेट दिखाओ. ये तो पसंद नहीं है मेरे को, मैं नहीं जाता, जाओ. Are you with me? So become a kid. Become a kid. You know? वो kid जो होता है ना, मॉल में जाके माँ का पल्लू पकड़ के खींच के लोड जाता है. माँ एम्बैरस होती तब फाइनली इसको दिला देती, राइट? द मोमेंट शी गिव्स अ चॉकलेट, चुप हो जाता हूँ. उसका एक ही फोकस है, I will do anything and everything. I will shit on my pant. I will pee here actually till the time she will not feel embarrassed. And finally, to stop getting embarrassed, she need to buy a chocolate for me actually. And the moment chocolate come, he is normal. So that kind of focus, right? Are you getting it? Okay? And I want to acknowledge someone before I go back. Okay? And before I leave you to do that sign up today. Okay? I want to acknowledge someone who actually started 15 days back. 15 days back somebody started, and this is the first event, and he started talking to people maybe few days back, right? Okay? And 3 days of this event gave him conviction, belief, and everything. And because he's still a kid, right? He's not grown up. Innocence, right? ये तो बढ़िया है. ये तो सब करेंगे. ये तो ये होगा, right? Correct? And today when the discount got announced, one day in the lunch break, he finished 20 sign-ups. Okay? And so he's become a superstar. Taja superstar nahi. Rising star, right? 100 days we say, right? 100 days rising star. I said, why to wait till next DWD? I will give rising star pin right now only, right? And I'm telling you, now also, some of you can do it. Can do it, right? Don't make it complicated. Just go out and do it actually, right? Because money is yours also, right? And your life is simple, not complicated. Okay? So how many of you are coming to Dubai after 6 months? Remember one thing. When you have a target, and if you start the day without planning, it is not going to happen, right? You need to know how many plans, how many days, what you will do, what is a backup plan, then only it will happen actually, right? Okay? Thank you very much, and make money your good friend. Okay, thank you.
Sist nås vi av nyheten att det svenska succébandet